fish or...
Well, both.
Both?
Yeah. This is Gordon Beardy, the chief of Musk Rat Dam. He just bought this new unit. It's called ConvertAtruck, and he's got a few words to say to the general public.
I'm a very proud owner of a converted van. Yeah. Kemudian yun kita ba niya? Hindi ka na pinag-ibig yan.
They take it for a little test drive now. The first time he ever drove this. Pretty happy with it. As you can see, it handles the rough ground real good. It's going to get over there around this clearing here and you'll get out in the deep snow in a minute. Down through a ditch here that a tractor got stuck in a little while ago. There's about 2 feet of snow he's traveling around in now. Around that same circle now. That's Gordon Beardy, the chief of Musk Rat Dam Band, driving with one of the counselors. They just bought this unit as a as a support vehicle for their tractor trains, and also for medical reasons. They don't have any road in there, permanent road in there, and they can use it as an ambulance for picking up people.